guys, welcome to my channel. We are here again to cook the spaghetti with clams. Okay, I will be showing you how to cook this spaghetti with clams. Ayan. Sindihan natin. Pakuluan ng tubig. Lagyan ng salt. Ayan. Takpan para kumulo. At mag-isa tayo nitong clams. This contains our clams. Half amount of butter and half amount of olive oil. Then garlic. I have here the chili flakes to be spices. And garlic. Yan lang guys. And then later, the salt and pepper. Okay, guys, naku, matigas-tigas pa pero okay lang. Magluto na tayo at 11 o'clock na. Mag-11 na. Ayan. Hindi yan dumi guys. Stains lang yan kasi medyo luma na yung aking pan. Ayan siya. Igisa natin ito. First, we have to the butter. A little of butter. Like that. And then, the garlic. And these are frozen clams. Yung binili ko sa Dao Central na steamed clams na frozen. Okay? And then the chili. Wow, spicy. Wow. And then the clams. This will not take so long because these clams are already cooked. And then, pag nainit na, ilagay na yung parsley, finely chopped na parsley. Like that. And this is already ready for the spaghetti. Wala pa, hindi pa na kumulo. Kaya yan, ito ang sauce natin, ma'am. Pag naluto na yung spaghetti, just add this and then fine, no need of cheese. But if you want, you can just place the cheese. No problem. Pero usually, the Italians don't want to put any more the cheese like that only, just like that. Okay, tapos na guys, kumukulo na. So, kumukulo na siya. It's time to put the spaghetti. This amount is good for 4 persons. We are 4 here, so yan guys. Ay. After 14 minutes, we will be going to harvest na and then mix to the sauce. The clam sauce. Yeah. Bisitahin paminsan-minsan. At baka nagkadikit-dikit na. Ayan. Halu-haluin. Ang iingay ng paligid ko, guys.
Who is of course.
Wow, fight ni Manny Pacquiao. Malapit na.
And now we're going to hear from the champion team.
We will be watching that.
On the podium,
When
the CEO and founder of
it's on
Arano Boxing,
July-
Yoga Mario Arano.
On July 23 ba? You do not know? Let us see. Ayan siya. And I am cooking here. Ayan, halu-haluin paminsan-minsan. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Guys, ang ingay naman ng boxing na yan, Matis. Abangan natin ang laban ni Pacquiao at Matis. Yes! Luto na siya, guys. Let us harvest. It's time to harvest. Harvest time is very exciting. Kakain na naman kami. My God. Anong klaseng kanta yun? Saan galing yun? My own version of cooking background. Yeah. Mga bida itong mga naririnig ko sa background ko, guys. Meron naman dito nakikinig ng Duterte. Yan ang mga hero namin sa Philippines. We are proud of them. President Tatay Digong and Manny Pacquiao. Wow, parehong Bisaya. Like me, I am Visayan, but not pure Ilocano Visayan. Pure na lang kasi nandito ako sa Bohol. Hello, my God, who's that? Naririnig nyo, guys? Okay. And then, let us mix this. Yan. Diba? Sarap. Ang hirap ng mag-isa na nag-shooting kasi alam nyo na, mahirap ang isa lang ang kamay. Yan. Okay. Ang ganda na. Ayun, kasi gusto nang kumain, kaya lumapit na, no? Wow, guys, ang galing, no? Ang galing.
Malapit nang kumain.
Pag malapit nang kumain, may nakikialam na, guys, no?
Oo, masarap
diba? Woo! Sarap naman ito. Okay, let's eat. Damputin ko nga ito, tikman. Ang sarap, guys. Oh my God! One of my favorite dishes of Italian dishes. Very simple, easy, very quick to cook. And here we are. We are now going to eat. Come on, guys, eat na.
Okay.
Yan. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Let us eat. Come on. Happy cooking, guys. Gayahin nyo ito dahil hindi biro. Masarap talaga. Come on. Thank you for cooking, guys. Ay, thank you for cooking. Thank you for watching, guys. My God, hindi ko na alam ang ginagawa ko kasi nagmamadali ako. Gusto kong kumain. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, supports, and everything for my vlog. Okay? Thank you. I love you guys. Nakalimutan ng black pepper. Sa plato na lang maglagay, guys. Ito. Maganda rin tong kirkland. Uy. Let us eat, guys. Ang sarap. Okay. Bye-bye.